following video is a fuel pump replacement of a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. Alright, the fuel line. And I didn't know how to take this clip off, so you can see how this clip is up here. So that should go in nice and easily. Fairly easily. Okay, now to get that clip up, I'm not going to do it now, but just here, under the back here, and that will lift up without too much trouble. But so in the back and lift it up, and you shouldn't break anything. Hello, my name's Byron. This is a how-to on how to replace a Mitsubishi Lancer 2010 model fuel filter and fuel pump. This is the old fuel pump, which I think has earthed out and it doesn't make any sound at all. This is the new fuel pump. It's a non-genuine fuel pump. So I'm taking this cap off, putting the filter on. So they've got that bit at the top. I'd say this goes here, maybe. And this one will go somewhere in here. Actually, exactly there. It all lines up. So I'm fairly sure that's how it's meant to look. O-ring, spacer, secondary filter or primary filter goes into this housing. Just use some common sense here about lining things up. Now, a word of warning or advice: if you're not mechanically minded, I probably wouldn't try this job. All the bits from Repco have cost $300 with a RACQ discount card. Oh, almost forgot. There's one more thing here that's missing. Don't know what it is. Say some sort of pressure regulator. It does have two O-rings which I'll replace. That's just come off whatever this is. I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to leave it off. They were all good sounds. Okay, this is the original wire from the original fuel pump fuel filter assembly. A few bits in here that we might not need to use because some of them come with the fuel pump. That's good. I was concerned about taking little hoses off and breaking little plastic hose connections, but it seems that you don't have to, because it all comes with new connections. I broke that connection, but that's okay because we've got a new one. This one holds it into the, call this a fuel sender and swirl pot. You can Google what swirl pot means. During my apprenticeship, I thought a swirl pot was pretty cool. I wonder if there's instructions. Okay, so I'm fairly sure this is all back together as it should be. This spring, when you put it back in, this hits the bottom of the tank and then pushes down. So it's all the way down. At the bottom here is a circlip right there. You do have to take that circlip out to be able to pull the top out.
Yeah.
The other thing that's quite tricky, which I've replaced, is this bit. You've got to line that tab up with this tab here. That tab there. On all the new bits. Finally, just the cords. So the fuel pump cord. The fuel pump cord goes in
Okay.
from the fuel pump to the fuel pump external connection, and then the fuel sender, which goes to your fuel gauge, should be plugged in too. Hopefully they're all good. Hopefully we don't have to take it apart again. We'll put it back in and hopefully the car will start. Okay, it is a bit of a trick to get it in, but you've got to work in the fuel sender, and it's very tight, but it does go in with a little bit of prodding. Then you've got to push it down and fit that ring. Remembering I had to fit the rubber that I took off when I pulled out of the vehicle. Did you take it off with the speed brace? Like, did they loosen up with the speed brace without having to much effort?
Yeah.
Well, time of truth. Will it start? Oh yeah!